Good morning, cool kids. Are you guys ready? Did y'all have a great weekend? Are you ready for Monday? It's time to get started in kindergarten. Yeah. Now, let's look at our calendar because you guys have been gone for a couple of days. We need to fix our calendar. And let's see here. What do we have? We have blue as our last day that we came. And we've been doing an A-B pattern. That's two things, A and B, and they're taking turn. A and then B and then A and then B. Right now our A is blue and our B is yellow. So let's say our pattern to see if we know what comes next. Blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Right. All right. Now we're ready to count and see what number we're going to write on our yellow tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's the next number? 12. 12 is the next number. Let's write it together. 12. A 1 and a 2. Around the track, come straight back. There's our number 12. See it? All right, let's stick it up here. That was on Saturday when we didn't come to school, right? Because we don't come to school on the weekends. Saturday and Sunday, what's Sunday's color going to be? We had yellow, blue, right? You guys are getting so good at this. Okay, so what number comes after 12? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're in the teens, like teenagers. Okay, here's the thing about teens. The first number in teens means 10, and that number is a 1. The first number stands for 10. 10 and some more. When we write a 10, we write a 10 and a 0. That means 10 and no more. But when we have a 13, we have 10 and 3 more. Because listen, 13. First, second, third. That's the 3. Third, with the 1 in the front, is 13. Good. All right. So here we go. So we have Saturday. We have Sunday. Are you ready now? We've got to go to today. What's the next color going to be? We just did blue. What do you think is going to be next? Can you guess? It's yellow. Yellow. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Do you hear that teen again? That teen means it's going to start with a 1. It's going to start with a 1 for teen. Because 10, it means 10 and some more, right? So 10 is a 1 and a 0. And so now we have 10. It's 10 and some more. It's a 14. A 14. What's the other number going to be if I have 1 and a, listen, 14. Do you hear 4 in there? That's right, it's a 4. 14. Good. Let's stick it up there. And then we're ready to go up to the top. And let's see what day of the week it is. Ready? There's our 14. Let's travel to the days of the week up to the top where it says the days. Here it is. Are you ready to sing it with me? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's, what's that? Monday. Right, today's Monday. Today is Monday. Who remembers this? With a big capital S at the front. S looks like a snake. It says September. Today is Monday, September the 14th, 2020. Good job. All right, let's add a straw. Remember, every day we come, we get to add a straw. So let's add one now. So there's 2 over here. I'm going to add one more. If I have 2 and one more, 2 plus one more makes 1, 2, 3. Good, so I've got to change my number. I need a 3. Good, all right, now, but I have not come to school just 3 days because I can't forget about this group of 10. So I'm going to count on. I'm going to say 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've come to school 13 days. Look here. 13. There's that 1 and a 3 again. We did that just a minute ago, right here on Sunday. It was 13. Good. Okay, so we've come to school 13 days. Let's add 1 here. You know what 13 looks like? A 1 and a 3. Let's see if we can count to 13. Guys, we're getting there one day at a time. We're going to be able to count to 20 really soon. Are you ready? Let's go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We come to school 13 days. Look at our week. Wait, let's look. We've got lots of things planned this week. Look at our numbers. Last week we learned the number 4. We learned how to write a 4 with a capital L, and then we made a line to the floor. But I wanted to show you something that's special. Okay, hold on. Let me grab these and bring them up real close to you so you can see them. This is the 4 that we write. Capital L and a line to the floor. But this is the 4 that sometimes we see. This is a typed 4. And remember I talked to you about this and I told you sometimes it looks like a sail on a sailboat or a little flag, a pendant. That is the typed 4, not the one we write. We write this one, but sometimes we see this one. And that's okay. That's how they make it with the typewriter sometimes. Or nowadays, there's no such thing as a typewriter anymore. It's a computer, Miss McCool. Miss McCool's old, you have to remember. Okay, here we go. And now, this week, we're going to learn the number 5. Hey, are some of you 5? Yes, some of you are 5 years old. A whole hand. That's 5. So we're going to learn the number 5, and we're learning the number 0. That means nothing, right? We're going to learn the number 0. Interesting. Number 0. Does it look a little bit like the letter O? They're written just the same way. They are written exactly alike. The only difference is when we count something and we go, I want to count and see how many of these I have. I don't go, I have 1, 2, 3, I ate 1, now I have 2, I ate 1, now I have 1. Now I only have the letter O. We don't have O. We have 0. That means none. The letter O says ah. The number 0 means none. So they mean different things. They look alike. They're kind of tricky that way. You got to watch out for them. Okay, new shape this week. We're doing triangle this week. Triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. There's 3 sides on a triangle. And it has 3 points and 3 corners. So 3 means try. Try. Let's see. You know something that sounds like try. How about a tricycle? When you first started learning to ride, did you have a tricycle or a trike that had 3 wheels, had a wheel in the front and 2 on the back? That's a trike. That's like a triangle. Yes, that means 3. Try means 3. Good, okay. We're learning this week about apples. Yum, I love apples. And we're learning about this fella right here. His name was Johnny Appleseed. We're going to be celebrating him this week. So that's going to be lots of fun. We're doing lots of fun apple things this week. Apple stories here and there. Okay, here we go. Letters. Oh, look. Our letter is the letter A. And A is for apple. See the apples on the tree? Yes. Okay, letter A. This is the capital A. and this is the lowercase a, but this is a typed A. Sometimes we see this. It's lowercase, but this is how sometimes it's looked when it's typed. We have to remember, computers write different than we do. Right, okay, so, and now we have the letter D. Also, we're going to learn this week. We're going to learn the letter D, which says D, D, and not duh, duh. D doesn't say duh, duh. It says D, D. We're going to make it really short. Can you do it with me 3 times? D, D, D. Clip it again. D, D, D. One more. D, D, D. That's the sound of D. And A says ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. We're going to learn some songs about those. And we're still reading and writing our names. You got your papers. You're going to get to start those this week. And I'm wondering about the weather. What's the weather looking like today? Well, remember, I'm ahead of you guys. So I'm thinking what the weatherman told me. He says it's supposed to be sunny today. Is it sunny today? I'm not sure. You're going to have to look outside and tell me. But here's the thing. Every day when we're having morning meeting, I want you to have your weather journal. Hold on one second. It looks like, I have it right here somewhere. Oh goodness, I thought I had it right there. Okay, you guys find your weather journal, and then I want you to color in one square. You can color it beside the sun if it's sunny. If it's partly cloudy, you can color it by the partly cloudy. Or if it's rainy, you can color it there, or snowy, or partly cloudy. I think I said that one, rainy. Whatever the weather is, you can color, but you are only allowed to color one. And you have to be on September, okay? So we're going to come back together and look at that later and see every day. All right. Thank you for joining me this morning for morning meeting. We will see you guys when? Tomorrow at morning meeting.